boneless, skinless. Chicken chunks. Right there. Chef, what was the white thing you cut out of it? That's a tendon. That it's like chewing on a rubber band, right? Yeah. So you'll find a lot of tendons in certain parts of your chicken. Mostly the drumsticks have a lot of tendons. So it's like what? Because obviously it's their leg, right? You know, they walk on this. So right here, like, there's a bunch of tendons in this part of the chicken, and it's all holding this meat together to their ankle, and you just it's like chewing on a rubber band. You want to get rid of those, especially in like the meat like this. The breast, they have two tendons that holds on to the chicken tenders. You want to get rid of those. It just makes your meat not that like appetizing, I guess you could say. Alright, just like that. Chicken. I cut those out too, just wasn't sure what it was. The hogs, yeah. So it's a good thing to take out. That would be the flexor retenculum? Probably. I don't know. Bro, you know chicken anatomy better than me? I've never really looked into the actual anatomy of a chicken. Alright, so we got our chicken here doing its thing. All of our other stuff. Our foot bird that will brine now. So on and so forth. Figure out how. Yes, it's gonna be a big one for that. It's like carcass. We're gonna freeze. Chili cheese dogs, just saying. I'm totally missing a lot of the conversation. I'm sorry, everybody. But I hate dealing with raw chicken. Well, I don't hate it. I just want it out of my... Like, I want it in the fridge as quick as possible. that was just a random statement, Robin. Hey, I saw the chili cheese dogs, and I was like, hell yeah, chili cheese dogs. I'm missing a lot of conversation. And if we're talking chili cheese dogs, I'm game. I'm game. I like chili cheese dogs. Oh my god, raw chicken is the fucking worst. This is still Molly because the laptop is dead. Okay, what's up, Molly? How you doing? I'm guessing you just watched some hockey and you're coming in for some conversation on it. I hate handling raw meat in general. Gross. That's partially why I never make meatloaf. I don't hate handling it. I just know that you have, when it comes to raw meat, straight up, raw meat, you have a time, like there's the timer and it starts the second you take it out of the fridge. So you gotta handle it quick. Deal with it. Or the bacteria growth starts happening. People get sick. You don't want that, right?